Hi, I'm Lauren.
And I'm Kate.
I'm a professional organizer and owner of Let Me Organize It, LLC, based in San Francisco.
And I'm a certified senior appraiser at Palma Art Advisors based in Philadelphia.
We met 11 years ago in London while in graduate school and share a love of the arts. Since we graduated, we've both worked for auction houses and managed art collections before moving on to our current roles.
We became colleagues while at a San Francisco-based tech company, assisting clients with insurance valuations. We worked together to teach appraisers and engineers how to properly catalog objects for appraisal purposes.
Still great friends, we work together frequently. In fact, Kate is one of my best resources. I reach out to her all the time to inquire about items on behalf of clients. I've even connected her to several organizers.
And I've helped Lauren's referrals sell items at auction, get necessary appraisal documents, and manage their expectations with regard to the values of objects. It's not always easy, but having the knowledge of the market and trends helps tremendously.
Thanks to my knowledge of the secondary art market and with Kate's assistance, I've successfully sold items for clients, but I have specific parameters. During our presentation, I'll share how I've made this work for my business and how you can too. If you opt not to add this to your toolkit, you'll have the necessary information to pass along to your clients so they can sell items on their own.
During this session, we'll help you identify market trends and properly identify values. We'll explain the difference between valuation types and help you to better manage client expectations on value. Furthermore, we'll provide a list of resources for you to have in your back pocket.
Our session will be fun, interactive, and full of helpful information. We will also provide case studies from our own lives. And finally, we'll show you exactly what types of photographs and measurements to take, as well as information to gather in order to get a higher return on selling clients' objects.
We hope to see you at our session, Adding to Your Toolkit, helping clients identify the value in their objects in Fort Worth next April.